Good morning, class. I hope you all are well, staying at home. Write down classwork, then put the date in the book. That is 22nd 7 2020. Okay. Now today we will start our lesson number 3. That is my early home. Lesson number 3, my early home. Okay, now I'm going to read the chapter and explain you also. The first place that I can well remember, class, before I'm going to start, I'm going to tell you something. It is a story about this young male horse. His name is Black Beauty. Okay. Now it is the story of him. इसकी स्टोरी है, इसका नाम है ब्लैक ब्यूटी. ओके, नाउ आई विल मूव फर्दर एंड रीड द चैप्टर. द फर्स्ट place that I can well remember was a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushes and water lilies grew at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side we looked into a plough field, and on the other we looked over a gate at our master's house. We stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a group of fig trees, and at the bottom a running brook overhung by a steep bank. Okay, I already told you this horse name was Black Beauty. ये हॉर्स का क्या नाम था? ब्लैक ब्यूटी. और ये एक छोटा हॉर्स था. मीन्स जैसे डॉग्स के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं पपीज़, और कैट की छोटे बेबी होते हैं किटन, उसी तरह हॉर्स के छोटे बच्चों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉल्ट. What we will say? Colt. That is COLT. And this young male horse used to live near a place where a large pleasant meadow, means एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब खेत था, means बहुत बड़ी फील्ड थी, and with a pond of clear water, जो है बहुत ही साफ पानी आता. pond of clear water. Some shady trees leaned over it, means कुछ बड़ी trees like this. These trees they were leaned like this, means झुके हुए थे. And some rushes, means some small plants, water lilies grew over there at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side we looked into a plough field, and on the other we looked over a gate at our master's house. We stood by the roadside. One side was a plough field, and other side was their master's house, which stood over the रोड साइड. जो रोड साइड पे था, एक साइड जो है खेत थी और दूसरे साइड क्या था? दैट वाज देयर मास्टर्स हाउस. एट द टॉप ऑफ द मीडो वाज अ ग्रुप ऑफ फिग ट्रीज. देयर वाज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फिग ट्रीज, and at the bottom running brook overhung by a steep bank. Means brook means a small stream of water. Okay. While I was young, I lived upon my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass in the daytime. I ran by her side. At night, I lay down close by her. When it was hot, we used to stand by the pond in the shade of the trees, and when it was cold, we had a nice warm shade near the group. As soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and came back in the evening. Okay, class. When the young male horse was small enough, he used to eat her mother's milk. And because he was not able to eat grass in the daytime, he used to run, and In the night time, he used to sleep nearby her mother. When it was summers, when it was hot time, then he used to stand near the pond, and when it was cold time, he used to stand near the stay near the warm shade near the grove. As he become older, then her mother, when he become older, he was started eating grass, and her mother used to go out for work in the daytime and come back in the evening. There were 6 young cows in the meadow besides me. They were older than I was. Some was nearly as grown up horse. I used to run with them, had great fun. We used to gallop all together round and round the field as hard we could. Sometimes we had rather rough play, for they would frequently bite and kick as well as gallop. Okay, like this, a black beauty young colt was there. There were another six young colts. Okay, and they were older to him, means वो उससे बड़े थे. जो ब्लैक ब्यूटी था उससे वो बड़े थे. And they had fun. They used to run, they used to have fun, they used to jump round and round, and they could play. But sometimes they had a rough play का मतलब पता है, कभी कभी मतलब मार पीट वाली प्ले हो जाती थी. लाइक दे यूज्ड टू बाइट एंड किक. कभी कभी वो बाइट भी मीन्स कभी कभी एक दूसरे को काट भी लेते थे. एंड दे यूज्ड टू किक मीन्स पैर से मारना. कभी कभी पैर से मारते भी थे. ओके. One day when there was a good deal of kicking, my mother went to me to come to her, and then she said, I wish you to pay attention what I am going to say to you. The colts who live here are very good colts, but they are cart horse colts, and of course they have not learned manners. You have been well bred and well born. Your father has a great name in this part, and your grandfather won the cup 2 years at the Newmarket races. Your grandmother has the sweetest temper of any horse I ever knew. I think you have never seen me quick or bite. I hope you will grow gentle and good and never learn bad ways. Do your good with a good will. Lift your feet up well when you trot. Never bite or kick even in play. One day, जब एक दिन बहुत ज़्यादा फाइटिंग हो जाती है, मीन्स किक और बाइट हो जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा ये लोग खेल लेते. देन द यंग मेल हॉर्स मदर called him and said, kindly pay attention to my words. The colts who lived, they are very good colts. वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, but they are cart horse colts. What is cart horse colt? You must have heard. बैलगाड़ी, उसी तरह घोड़ा गाड़ी होती है. घोड़े के पीछे जो है सारा सामान लाद के ये लोग ले जाते हैं. And they had not learned manners. But you are a well bred and well behaved horse. You are a well bred and means आप बहुत अच्छे हैं, आप बहुत ही अच्छे ब्रीड के हॉर्स हैं. एंड आपके जो फादर हैं वो उनका बहुत अच्छा नाम है इन सब पार्ट्स में. वो बहुत ही वेल मैनर इंसान हैं. और आपके ग्रैंडफादर ने तो कप भी जीते हैं रेसेस में. किस में? न्यू मार्केट रेसेस में. और योर ग्रैंड मदर हैज़ द स्वीटेस्ट टेम्पर of any horse I ever knew. I think you have never seen me kick or bite. And then she says that your mother, you have never seen me to kick or bite somebody. I hope, then she says that I hope you will grow gentle and good and never learn bad ways. I hope you will grow gentle and good. आप बहुत ही अच्छे मेल हॉर्स बनेंगे और नेवर लर्न मीन्स आप कभी भी बैड वेज नहीं लर्न करेंगे. ओके. Do work with a good will and lift your feet when you trot. मीन्स जब घोड़े अपने पैर उठा के दहाड़ते हैं, that is means trot and never bite or kick anyone even you play. जब खेलते वक्त भी आप बाइट और किक किसी को नहीं करेंगे. Then I have never forgotten my mother's advice. I knew she was a wise old horse and our master thought a great deal of her. Her name was Duchess, but he often called her Pet. Okay, her name was Duchess, but her master called her Pet, and his mother was a wise old horse. Okay, class, I have explained this part to you. From tomorrow we will start this part, the second part. Okay, now take out your classwork copy, write down the date 22nd 7 2020, lesson 3, my early home. Then start writing. Box means hit, brook means a small stream, colt means a young male horse, rushes means plants, meadow means a grass covered field, gallop means the fastest pace of horse, and lodging means living space. Then answer this question. Where did the horses live? The horses lived in a large pleasant meadow with a pond clear water. Now, what did Black Beauty live on before he could eat grass? He lived on his mother's milk before he could eat grass. What happened once Black Beauty was old enough to eat grass? As soon as Black Beauty was old enough to eat grass, his mother used to go out to work in the daytime. What advice Black Beauty's mother gave him? Black Beauty's mother's advice was to grow up gentle and good and never learn bad ways. Write down your homework. Learn the question and answer word meaning from the lesson 3, my early home. And class, please don't write this in your copies. ये पार्ट आप कॉपी में नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay class, that's all for today. Have a good day.